to cook. It's Ichiban Miso Ramen. Oh, I got it upside down. So that is what we're pretty much gonna make, but I'm putting steak and pork chop. I'm mixing the meat, and then you guys get to see what it looks like after, and we'll eat with you.
Come eat with me. Waste that juice, baby.
What I do is while I have the meat simmering and the vegetables, I saute the onions, and this is sweet onion and green onion. I saute them a little bit because some people can't handle that whole really hard onion taste. So that way I'm able to put this in the miso soup.
Give it to me like